are you guys doing? Okay, thank you for joining us on Chai, Coffee and More.
Thank you very, very much, everybody. कुछ हमारी जो बच्ची है आज बहुत मेहनत कर रही है। सुबह कोई और शुरू करती है, शाम को कोई और।
रात को तो ये सब करती हूँ।
कितनी मेहनत करती है?
उसको लगता है मैं जितनी घर जाने करती हूँ।
Okay, so first off, since our program is based on chai, coffee and more, so what are you,
Yes.
chai person, coffee person, or are you anything else?
Chai person. He's a coffee person.
He's a coffee
She's a
person.
chai person.
She's a chai person.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ritvik, what was your experience with I Can Do That, and congratulations on winning it.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. I think it was a fantastic experience just because it's one of the.
Sorry.
So it was one of the most difficult shows that I've ever come across. First time ever, on Indian television, and the first time ever.
And by the way, he's the only television celebrity who got 2 reality shows.
Yeah, that is true.
You deserve it, baby.
I'd like to thank my mom and dad for giving me the birth.
No, that's one.
I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, and my girlfriend for being my dad and supporting me in
And-
my life.
Asha, congratulations on getting Kuch To Hai Darmiyan. What's your experience with it?
I'm enjoying working.
It's a very tiring experience, of course, because it's a TV show.
No, but yes, of course, I'm enjoying it. But yeah, it is quite tiring. It is quite hectic. I can't deny that.
But I'm really happy for her.
Yeah.
It's because she's crib. Whenever she used to be home now, she used to crib. Yeah, baby, now I want to go back to doing my Pavitra Rishta again. I want to get those days back again. So there you go. You have those days back again. And you know who's enjoying right now? Me! Because I just finished I Can Do That and I am having the fun.
Okay.
Tell me seriously. Okay, do you think this origin start is?
Yeah.
No. See?
I miss those days actually. Because, especially because those scenes, those moments.
I know.
It
And
was
how much?
with you.
And just imagine how much would I miss those days. I'm working at the same set.
She's working on the same set, by the way.
Really?
Yes, Pavitra Rishta set and
Same
Kuch To
day.
Hai.
Okay. Yeah, because Ekta, talent.
How much would I miss Arjun, movie, and my whole family? All of Krishna. Missed a lot.
Okay. Some really fun questions I have for you guys.
Yes.
First of all, how would you sell ice to an Eskimo? How would you sell ice to an Eskimo?
How would I sell ice?
It's a very challenging question, and after this video, I'll give you my take on it.
Wait, how would I sell ice to an Eskimo? You know what? These are diamonds. Yeah, they're rarely found on this particular part of the world, and I think I've got a few of them. Why did you buy them from me? And they're very cheap. You can buy them very cheap. And they look like, like crafted diamonds. These are square diamonds. You could wear them as a ring, and they would never ever, since we know it's ice, पिघलेगी तो वैसे भी they could always wear it as
That's
diamonds.
very true.
And then you would say, my child, I have loads of them. There they are. Put yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, do you guys believe in aliens?
Yes, I do. I have one with me.
Are you willing to slap him right now? Do you want to slap him right now?
Why is everybody assuming it's Asha? Like, why? I didn't say it. I was talking about running away. Or Karan Basu, that matter.
Head up. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So basically that's what we got. Any message for your fans?
Well,
They love you guys a lot.
Yes.
These are some really cool sketches that we got from people
Wow.
from UAE. They
Hey, these are
sketched. Yeah, you better be kind of that.
yeah. Look at this. Wait, this is so us, no? This is just us. These are
Dia Rafiq is 7 years old.
These
Her
are
four sisters sisters.
7 years old.
Yeah, she's given me a video for you.
Hiba Rafiq is 7 years old.
Dia Rafiq is 7 years old.
Dia Rafiq is 7 years old.
Special message for you in these people. They're by the way, there's 4 sisters, huh?
These are Rafiq sisters.
Yeah, the Rafiq sisters. All the way from UAE, Abu Dhabi.
Very stupid.
Yeah. So the red one was done by Dia.
Wow.
The
red one?
Yeah, the red one was by Dia.
Wow. She's 7 years old. It's so sweet.
I know.
Wow.
Yeah, those are your drawings.
Hi Ashley, meeting Salma, Rosanna, Eva and Leah.
Yeah, those are the 4 sisters.
We have 4 sisters from Kerala. I want to come to Kerala. Currently residing in Kuwait.
My place.
Come on. You know that you probably get a lot of family members who won't be important. Not really important. Every family member is important to us. It's close to our heart. Ever. Now, you would be saying that, no, it's not like that. I just wanted to
She's right.
But we just wanted to let you know that we have huge fan of yours ever since you started. Thanks for the Krishna and still we love you both. Furthermore, your acting has inspired us. We very think we are your biggest fan. Even though we know you hear that almost every day, but we just want you to know that you're really our friend. I believe we will be able to see one day in front of our eyes. Your musty and fun made us love you more. Thank you for entertaining us. Both was very cute. We love you. We love your laugh. We love you both. We love your show. And congratulations to Ritik for I guess.
Yes! Now
Even
that
though you both have achieved life, you people are very down to earth. You don't know what's right. You're being sure of words, probably an African.
Salma Rafiq, Sultana Rafiq, Hiba Rafiq. Just because I wanted to read something, she wouldn't let me. So these are the Rafiq sisters.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
Hey, there is Dia Rafiq also.
Wait,
by the way.
there's a special video from Dia for you guys.
This is a special video from Dia. And all the 4 sisters. Are they real sisters? Are you guys real sisters?
Yeah, they're
Yeah? Wow. And all 4 of them sketch and draw.
Yeah, that's the hobby.
Like my sisters, I have no hobby in common.
Shut up. So talented. I know.
We do not know no hobby in common. My sisters, I
I
have.
have no hobby common.
Like how these 4 have one hobby in common, but you and your sisters have no hobby in common. That's actually good.
Okay, that's Dia's video.
Wait, just a second. I can't see the. I met in Dubai. Oh. You know, I think I've met Priya in Dubai when I'm gone for the Indian Idol Junior audition. I think I met her.
You did?
So cute.
Yeah, I think I
She
met
just
her.
said it was her birthday. When was her birthday?
It just went 5th of December.
5th of December. Wow, 5th of December. I was 5th of November, 1 month older than you. But yeah, this is so cute. You're such a darling. We love you. And thank you so much for keeping this going because I think it's fantastic. All the 4 of you are really fantastic at what you're doing. And this is so cute.
Yeah, I know. So I think I met her.
That's Baniti. What Baniti? Aww.
That's cute.
I'd love to see her. She's like an angel. She's wearing like a tiara on top. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. We're going to quickly sign these.
Yeah, and these are for you guys.